The novel coronavirus, or the COVID-19, is an infectious disease caused by SARS-CoV-2, which belongs to the family of coronavirus. The first case of COVID-19 was reported in Wuhan, which is in Hubei province, China, in December 2019. And since then, many cases have been confirmed in large number of countries, due to which the World Health Organization announced it as a pandemic. Pandemic is a disease that spreads over a whole country or whole world. Symptoms. The major symptoms are fever, cough, shortness of breath, fatigue, muscle pain, etc. The reason why COVID-19 is dangerous because in some cases it progresses to viral pneumonia and multi-organ failure, which leads to death in some cases. So we need to know how this virus spread. COVID-19, the coronavirus, spreads through close contact, and it spreads mainly through small droplets produced when those infected cough, sneeze, or talk. And it also been proven that it spreads through the objects touched by the people who are infected with that virus. And if a normal person comes in contact with that object, the person contracts the virus. Scientist says that this virus can survive on surface for about 72 hours. The reason why the virus became such a pandemic is because the usual onset time for this virus is 2 to 14 days from exposure. And that's the reason why many people, without knowing they were infected, traveled in and out of China. That resulted in this pandemic. More than 1 million people have been affected by this virus as of now. And healthcare professionals are trying their level best to save the people from this deadly virus, and many people are recovering. So let's stay strong and do our best to fight this virus. For getting the right updates about the COVID-19, you should always refer to WHO, that is the World Health Organization's official website. Here are some preventive measures prescribed by the WHO. Wash your hands regularly for 20 seconds with soap and water or alcohol-based hand rub. Cover your nose and mouth with a disposable tissue or flexed elbow when you cough or sneeze. Avoid close contact and stay home and self-isolate from others in the household if you feel unwell. And don't touch your eyes, nose or mouth if your hands are not clean. And the most important thing during these critical times is that being responsible and sensible. And a huge thanks to the doctors, nurses, all the healthcare workers, and all others who put their lives in the front line in order to protect us and fight this deadly disease. They are the corona warriors. We should really thank them. And last but not least, don't panic. Don't Panic buy the things which are really essential, and buy the quantity which you require and leave the rest for others. Go out only if it is really necessary or if it's an emergency. Otherwise, stay home, stay safe. Let's break the chain.